finance professional. My daughter's name is Anjali Sharma. She's 10-year-old and she's been doing coding through CodingZen for almost 2 years now. The reason we enrolled her for coding classes was, one, it is almost like a life skill now. But more importantly, we wanted to develop her on her logical, creative and design thinking process. On all these counts, she's visibly improved in the last 2 years. And this is visible not in her school and computer classes, but also in her approach towards other subjects like English, EVS, maths, etc. In my mind, a lot of this has happened because the teachers and the entire management of CodingZen has brought in coding as a subject through the medium of gaming, learning through activities, competitions, quizzes that really increased her attention and interest in this subject. Kudos to the entire CodingZen. We have a lot of such online platforms available for kids these days, but CodingZen is definitely, in my mind, a recommendation to a lot of parents.